today I'm gonna show you this cute pom-pom head from Hedgehog Fibres. Hedgehog Fibres is company from Iran, and this colors called anime is Merino Aran, so it's Aran weight, and the colors are so fun. And this head takes one skein of this, and it's super easy, and it's also super wash, so you can machine wash. So this is a machine washable. It only takes one skein, and look how cute pom-pom is. The color, the sparkles, right? They're so cute and all fun. You know, you need lots of hats for fall and winter. This will be fun project. The colors are so modern.